Ever yawn just because someone else did?
Yeah, me too. You're not tired. You're not bored. But suddenly, you yawn.
Okay, this is what scientists are saying about it. Turns out, yawning might be social. Scientists believe it's linked to empathy. When you see someone yawn, your brain activates the same region, as if you're mirroring their state. It happens more often with people you're close to, friends, family, even your dog. So the next time someone yawns and you yawn back, just know your brain's saying, I get you.